This is a new series of healing with the Om sound I have come up with in Mahashivasita, and I'm very happy to disclose this technique with you all because I already faced a lot of problems, and by practicing these healing techniques, this makes my life very easy, and I wanted to share with you all because I obviously believe in sharing because it increases a lot of positivity. It's immensely powerful if you're practicing at home. It is very important to feel the urgency and feel to choose the right thing whatever you're doing. So you have to know the each and every paris directly, whatever it do, how it works, what's the basic energy centers in your body. So in spirituality, it's been very important to let you know about all those things, and I hope that you will love it. Hriday Pari we know as heart chakra. Okay, Hriday Pari is very important in the case of emotional front. Many of us are very much emotionally block, like we cannot express ourselves emotionally. We feel very alone, or we feel very scattered. We are not balanced. We feel very much of cut off from our relationship in many cases. In that case, if you just strengthen your Hriday Pari or your heart chakra or your heart pari, in that case you will be able to use your emotions at the right time in the right way. This is the benefit of strengthening the Hriday Pari with Om sound. The 7th video of this series, the Hriday Pari and the heart pari I'm talking about. Before that, I have talked about each and every pari, and I have talked about the benefits of the each and every pari, why to do this healing, why this healing is beneficial for you, in what situation we can do these types of healing, in what situation we can heal our problems. Like we face many kind of problems. In that case, in every case, each of our pari is involved, right? So in that case, if we know the art of healing or manage our each and every pari, and life becomes easy, because life comes with very unquenchable problems. So if we have the solution, we can overcome all of our problems, and we can reach the extreme ultimate level of our ecstasy. Focus and accumulate your energies into your heart pari or Hriday Pari. So close your eyes and feel exactly pointed in your heart, in your just Hriday Pari, and focus and feel your Hriday Pari. So now I'll start the healing with the sound of Om continuously, and it will continue to the end of the video. In every Om sound, you have to absorb the strength. This is what I'm telling in every video, each and every of my video in this series, that you have to absorb the energy what is being given to you by the created Om sound. The vibration of Om sound will add strength in your physical realm and as well as mental realm. Okay, so this will make a balance in your energy body, and you can see the result in every situation.
Oh.